We all know that you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to reach the goal of monetization, or you will need roughly 10 million YouTube Shorts views. And that can feel like a stretch, that can feel like a super long, far-fetched end goal, but in this video I will be talking about all of the stuff that I have been learning from working with clients that already have reached that goal and what I have initially done to help them out reaching that goal. So watch this video from start to finish to both help me out and you will learn some secrets on the way. First step, we need to ask ourselves, are we serious about YouTube? Okay, so I've been changing the lights in the studio now and you are on board and we are getting serious about this topic and we want to reach that goal together. So when we are talking about YouTube monetization, there are mainly two ways we can get monetized. The first one is from YouTube directly, from ads, from memberships, like super stickers and donations and stuff like that. That is YouTube monetization. The second thing we can do to get some money is by having ads in your videos. Basically, people are paying you money to present a product, to have like a sponsorship, or you can have like affiliate links underneath in your description. Let's say you are talking about a camera, you can link it to Amazon through affiliate marketing, and that link, if someone buys that camera that you are talking about, you will get paid a percentage by Amazon, for example. So those two are a bit different. You should always have in your mind something that you can do on your channel that is not only from YouTube itself. And if you are able to provide a course, if you are able to do something else with your channel that will give the viewers something that they can pay for, let's say merch, links, courses, it doesn't really matter, but you would always have back in your mind something that you can get monetized directly from the viewers. And it can also be donations, it can be Patreon. So in order for you to start this process, you will need to pick a niche. And if you pick the wrong niche, you will be paid less. Here's the thing, there are different niches on YouTube that will pay you either more or less. And funny enough, if you are talking about making money online, real estate, stocks, and if you have a channel where you are generally talking about money, YouTube will pay you more. Or an entertainment channel, they are all in those different categories that will be paid more and less. But keep in mind, do not pick a niche only because of the money opportunity. When it comes to YouTube, you want to pick a niche that you can make a lot of money in by having fun. You want to have fun when you are creating videos. You will not be making a dime, a dollar, nothing in the first year or so. So keep in mind, make videos that you enjoy, that you have passion for, that you can talk about forever and ever. And if you are lucky, that will fit into your niche. And you can always create multiple channels and create different niches and make money from different channels. But your main channel needs to be something from your heart. Have that in your mind. Also important to remember, if you're making videos for kids and you have kids related content, you will get restricted by YouTube. You can still be monetized, but then you are better off making money from links to toys and stuff like that. So have that in your mind. Okay, so let's talk about the first step. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This one feels impossible, but you will need to post videos, learn from those videos, do some changes and post a new video. Look at your analytics, look at what you are doing, write scripts, get better at making thumbnails. Thumbnails are key. If you don't have a good thumbnail, no one will click your video. This whole process is a long process. If you subscribe to my channel, I have a bunch of videos on here that I will be going through all of the different strategies and stuff that you can do in order to improve your channel. I can always make videos about the questions you have, or I can try my best to answer your questions down in the comment section. The second tip is to make playlists, because you want your viewers to be watching your videos from start to finish. And in order for them to be watching all of your videos, if you have those in a playlist, because then they will be watching your first video and the next one will automatically play and they will just enjoy your content and watch the next one and the next one and the next one. So make content. Try to get better at storytelling, make good thumbnails, and you will get viewers that are watching your videos from start to finish and are commenting and are subscribing to your channel. That's the most important part to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so I've been thinking about making this whole video and this whole monetization thing into a series. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any questions, and I will try to gather those questions and make a series. And also let me know what you would like me to make, and we can try to make the best monetization guide on YouTube. I will do all that it takes to take my research. I've been doing a bunch of research lately, both on monetization and YouTube in general. So please subscribe to the channel and watch this video next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjorn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye.